Welcome back to another video. Today we have deals. Yeah, they're still running deals. They're still running the buy more, save more from DeWalt and Ryobi. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you guys want to help out the channel, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So I basically got this email. I will be leaving the link down below on the comment section of this web page or this page that they sent me. So if you guys want to look at it yourself, basically you go, it'll take you here, and you go down here to the power tools. All right, once you hit the power tools, if it'll load up, you get the power tool section here. It says free select tools for your favorite brands. Shop now. Okay, so we're here at the buy more, save more. So we got DeWalt and Ryobi. They're both doing the same thing. Let's see here. Save up to $175. Select DeWalt 12 volt max power tools. Guys, this has been since August, actually, the sale. I'm just repeating the sale in case you guys miss it, or in case you guys don't know what's going on. But yeah, we still got about 4 or 5 days before it goes away. So 11/2 is the last day you guys could get this. But pretty much, if you guys haven't watched my videos on the stores when I go shopping at Home Depot, they do have these deals. It's just that it's really hard to explain in the store, because that's usually I do shopping at Home Depot here, like this one, and I show you guys that deal. So be sure to check out my channel, Toolhead147, subscribe, and check out this video. I do have other videos where like Milwaukee exclusive Milwaukee deals, and different reviews I have here. The $14 pressure washer from Amazon. All right, let's go back to this. So we got up to $175 on select DeWalt toolbox, 20 volt max power tools up to. Okay, so basically what it is you put tools that have up to, it doesn't tell you here. Okay, so you got to spend $4.99 to get $175. You got to spend $4.98, and well, actually $3.49, and then you get 90, or you can spend $1.99 and get $30 off. So basically, here's other kits you guys could say. The qualifying are the ones that have this little picture here on the side. So you have to, not all the tools are qualified for this deal. This is a good DIY prosumer level type of deal here. $3.99. You can probably get it down. Let's see here. So we're just gonna add that to the cart. Yeah, I already know I have more stuff in the cart, but I'm just gonna add that real quick, and then we're just gonna add something that's $100 basically. So $139. The closest one is, okay, we're just gonna add this one for now. All right, so I'm just gonna explain that real quick. You got 34%, so that's a really good deal there. Well, not, it's an example. I'm not saying it's a good deal because of the charger. You can probably get a charger with another kit. I'm just it's just an example of how much you can get off. Let me just delete these real quick. All right, so basically here, this charger's $119. You're gonna get it for $78.80. This is $3.99. You're gonna get it for $264. So guys, that's definitely a great deal. If you're gonna get this kit that's $400 for $264, that's a heck of a deal. $264 for 4 tools. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tools, yeah. 2 batteries, a charger in the bag. So that, yeah, it's definitely a killer deal there. Some people do return their like the other tool. They'll return it, and then they'll just keep that for that. It's up to you if you guys want to do that. That is a killer deal for $264. I'm just gonna remove it. I'm gonna put another tool in there, and we'll see how that works. See if we can get. We already have this. Saucelet, yeah, we already have this tool here. So we're just gonna add. All right, let's see here. Let's say we don't want to add these batteries. So we'll add these batteries, and we'll see what the price, if we can get that 264. See, it went up to 31%, down to 31%. It's not as good as the other deal, which it was closer to the 499. See, it did go up a little bit because I'm not closer to the. See, what you want to do is you want to get it closer to that 499. Once you get it closer to that 499, you're pretty much maxing it out on the discount. So you're gonna get this for 276. It's still a great deal, but the 264 was very tempting. The 264 deal, that one. I just want to explain this real quick. See how this, and you guys can play with it. Play with the numbers. Obviously, you can choose something like this, and then choose another tool that it pretty much get it closer to the 499 deal. Even this one would probably be the closest. Even this 4 amp hour. So I'm gonna add this to the cart. I think this one's gonna be the closest. Yeah, it's still 34%. So it's still gonna be the best percentage you can get. See, 261. It's even lower. So yeah, there's definitely a smoking deal there. All these tools. Well, you're gonna get this tool, the 8-volt max lithium, for 300. Yeah, that's definitely a great deal. Let me show you guys on the Ryobi side. Okay, you guys could play with that. I'll leave you guys the link down below. See if you guys could get a much better deal on that. That's definitely a smoking deal. You get all these tools for $261. That is great. That is smoking deal there. So anyways, let's see here. Let's go back. This thing's not letting me go back. Come on. All right. So let's shop here at the Ryobi. All right, you got to spend or save up to 50, spend 100, or wait, yeah, spend $100. What is this? Say 50. Oh yeah, you got to spend $149 to get 15 off. You got to spend $199 to get 30 off, or you got to spend $249 to get 50 off. So on this one, I would recommend you guys get something simple, like this fan. Let's see here. I know we had that rocket light the tower tripod light that everybody wanted. Some stores are out, some stores have them. So you can always check yours if you have it or not. So we're just going to add the, what is this, the fan here. It's just an example. So I'm going to delete the DeWalt here, so you guys don't get confused. All right. So we're we gotta add something else that's $100. So anything that's $100. All right. We'll add this. Let's see here. This is $100. So we'll add this one. This one's a good one. So I'm just gonna go to checkout here. All right, so I'm getting $30 off. I need to add. Still a great deal though. Look, for $149, I'm getting this fan for $130, and this vacuum is $99. I'm getting it for $87. So it's not a bad deal. I'm still under the $249 deal there. So I'm probably gonna just choose circular saw here. It's a brushless circular saw, and I'm gonna delete the other tool. If I can go to the cart, I'm gonna delete this tool. All right, you see how it went down? So now it went to 19%. So I guess the most you can get out of this is the 20% off, which is a great deal. You see, from $119, I'm gonna get $96. So that's a great deal. It's just an example, guys. Guys, play with the numbers. Play if you're, this is the new battery here, obviously. Oh yeah, this is not the newest. That it was the new one. But yeah, just play with the numbers. Play with the tools, and see what better deals you guys could get. Here's a miter saw you guys could put in there, and then just put something that's a little bit more than $100. And pretty much you don't have to get the fan. You can put that one in there too. So yeah, just want to show you guys what's going on. The buy more, save more from DeWalt and Ryobi. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you guys want to help out the channel, so we can buy tools like this, make more tool review videos. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.